Welcome to the latest how-to tutorial from ITZOO. Remember, before starting any repair, to disconnect all power sources, including AC adapters and batteries from your device.
First, carefully place the suction pads onto the glass, applying pressure, and push all 4 levers down towards the glass. Now gently pull away from the iMac using the handles shown in the video. Locate and remove the 8 screws which attach the screen to the iMac case. Carefully pull the screen slightly forward and remove the 4 ribbon cables as shown in the video. Now remove the 2 screws as shown in the video to release the hard drive. Pull the hard drive slightly forward and unclip the hard drive connectors. Now reverse the steps to connect the new hard drive. To reconnect the screen, simply reverse the steps as shown earlier in the video. Carefully reconnect the 4 cables to the back of the screen. Attach the screen to the iMac, replacing the 8 screws removed earlier. Carefully place the suction pads back onto the glass and place it back onto the iMac, applying pressure, and pull all 4 levers up to release the suction pads.
parts for all major PCs and laptops can be found at itzoo.co.uk. We also stock a full range of PCs, laptops, tablets and servers.